Picture the scene. Everyone's around your house, you've got your Switch out, and everyone wants to play it. But you want to make it more interactive and more fun. How do you do that? You get this pack. So join me today as we go through this. This is the ultimate party pack for the Nintendo Switch, and it's by Orzly. Hello and welcome, and as we said on the introduction, we've got this for you today. So this is the ultimate party pack for the Nintendo Switch, and it's by Orzly. And thanks to the guys for sending this over, because they wanted to show off this, because I think this is going to be the perfect, if not present for someone, definitely to get it for someone for like the new year, when over the holidays or when people are around, or for just for the weekend fun with your playing the Switch. Because remember the Wii, the idea of the Wii was so fun because it's so much more interactive than any other console. This party pack really does help with that. So I haven't opened it yet. I do know what's inside, but I haven't opened it, so we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to go through everything that's in it. Okay, so Orzly Ultimate Party Pack for Switch. Picture of the Switch and clues of what's inside. Ultimate Party Pack. Branding about kind of, I don't know what you get on it. A little bit about Orzly there. And then some more branding. Okay, so this is a hefty old box, I tell you. So when you open it up, there. That's what it tells you. What's in your pack. So tennis rackets, racing wheels, Joy-Con grips, dance band, and a travel bag. Okay, we're gonna go through all of that, and then a bit of an image there. And this is a flap, so that folds out. There we go. Look at this. This is really, really nice. Really good quality stuff. I mean, we don't really want to talk about the box too much, but the box is nice and sturdy. It's a really nice box. And then a pamphlet, all about it. Thank you, all about Orzly, and all a bit about each individual item there. We'll go through that in a bit. And then on the back, a few more extras there. So I've done videos on that, if you want to go and look at that. And that's been in a couple of other my videos. I'll leave links down below in the description of where you can find all those videos. Okay. So let's just move it to the side. So first up, on top is this. So this is your carry bag. Nicely, massively branded carry bag. Okay, drawstring. Okay, so if you need to take it anywhere, or if you just want to use it to carry a Switch and other bits in, it's going to offer absolutely zero protection for Switch for expensive things. Try not to use it for things like the Switch, maybe in a case, but it's generally for this stuff in here. So you can just plonk it in there, do it up, and put it all and take it away with you. Okay, so that's nice. That's included, carry bag. First up, let's look at these. So these are Joy-Con holders, if you haven't guessed already. And what you do is, we'll go into the blue one, stick your Joy-Con in there, and away you go. Okay, so this is for probably quite a lot of the games actually, that you only need a thumbstick, and that for things like Mario Party, multiplayer games, because yeah. And as you can see there, it has the LEDs lighting up. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there the LEDs light up across there, so it tells you which one you're connected to, 1, 2, 3 or 4. And the colour matching, always interested in colour matching, spot on, absolutely nailed on the same colour as the blue. Let's see if the red is the same. So we've got ourselves a couple of official Joy-Cons here. Yeah, look at that, absolutely nailed on. There are a few products out there that haven't got the colouring quite right, but Orzly have done it superb. Colour is bob on for those. So you get a red and a blue one, and you get two black ones as well if you have the grey Joy-Cons, or blue and red into there, doesn't matter which one. All exactly the same, feel really nice and comfortable, quite bulbous there, which is good. And then you've got your SL and SR, which obviously presses your SL and SR on the top there. So that's really nice to have. So there we go. So we got those four. That's for when you're wanting to play multiplayer on some games, so like Mario Party and such. We'll keep them because we're going to need them. Let's rearrange the desk a bit so we can fit it all in. Okay, what's up next? Next up, look at that, I'm going to grab my eye. These bad boys, look at this. So again, as with these, you get a red one, you get a blue one, and you get 2 black ones. And flip them over. Again, the colour's going to be the same. Yeah, spot on the colour. And all you do is you fit your Joy-Con in there like that. So it's got a ridge there where you fit the rail inside, so it's a nice secure fit. And then you've got yourself your tennis racket. Really nice. Really good quality. Yeah, that's really good quality. Really nice quality for this. Really impressed. And then you can have access to the triggers and the thumbstick, and it's got the all-important wrist strap. I don't know if you use wrist straps. You should if you're going to be throwing things around, because you can imagine throwing a Joy-Con into your nice TV. There. I'll not just fall off. Wrist straps are really nice quality. Nice quality. Good. And then, as we can say, we've got a red version, which again, the same as the Joy-Con holders, the colour is identical to the red one. Really nice. And there's a bit of foam padding all the way around there. Can you see that? So there's a bit of foam all the way around there. But predominantly all plastic, really lightweight, so you're not going to get exhausted while playing tennis, Mario Tennis or whatever. And then you've got 2 black ones, exactly the same as these 2, but obviously in black, so you can have 4 people playing at the same time. So if you've got, imagine 4 of you all playing Mario Tennis, all with one of these. Back in the Wii days, isn't it? It's what made the Wii popular. Oh, getting the old people off the couch, bang, playing with these. Love it. Okay, let's put them up there. And then what's next? Let's take out these. So again, we have 4 of these. I don't need to, but I'm going to anyway. The colour match. Spot on. Red colour match. Oh, and to put it in, I've noticed you put the rail in first, so you kind of put it in that way and then fold it down, and then it's in. And again, with the LEDs, you can see the LED shining up there to do is 1, 2, 3, or 4. All of them have that feature. And again, 2 black ones. So the red one here, you have your SL and SR trigger on your steering wheel. So when you use it and the motion on there. And then to get it out, you're not going to be able to dig it out very well. There's a hole in the back there. Just pushing the hole and out it comes. Again, a really, really nice light piece. So it's not going to be too heavy when you're holding it and playing it. And especially with adult hands, this is too small for me to use this like this. So I would need something like this. But if you're going to be using Mario Kart, whack it in one of them bad boys. Who ain't going to want to play it like that? Brilliant, really, really nice. Again, finger through the hole, popping it out. Excellent quality, really nice build quality. I mean, they feel really solid. Okay, let's whip that one over. Pop the Joy-Con out. Let's put them there. Okay, we're going to need the Joy-Cons again, because what else we have? Finally, we have these. Okay, what these are, as we've alluded to earlier in the video, are dance bands. Okay, so let's pop them open. This is for games such as Just Dance, where you need to hold the Joy-Cons and do all the movements. What it is it's a strap that can go around your leg or your arm, like that. And then you simply pop the Joy-Con in there, like that. So hooking it in and popping it down. Okay, brilliant. Now, to get it off, it's just a case of popping it back up and pulling it out, easy. And again, you get 2 black and you get a red and a blue. We'll do the colour. I'm assuming the colour's going to be spot on with that, but we'll check that in a minute. So, really nice quality plastic, and this band is superb, really stretchy. I'd say, let's have a look. You're gonna get, it's about, I'd say 5 or 6 centimeters round, okay, and then, well, sorry, the max from there, and then minimum you can go as tight as you need to for kids or for adults. But if you have it on the maximum here, you're stretching it right out, so it's going to have no problem going on. I mean, that might just fit around my biceps. I'm not sure. Quite hench, so I'm not quite sure. I think it will. I think it will. There's that, and then there's a red. Let's check the colour. Snap it in. Look at that, brilliant colour matching again. And the blue one's going to be another colour match, I can tell. Yeah. So if you want to play games like, if you do play games like Just Dance, you, oh yes, look at that, on there, through that hole, Velcro it on, and then that sits on your hand, or sorry, your arm or your leg as you're playing it, and that ain't going anywhere. You've still got access to all the buttons, all the joystick if you need to, but that ain't going anywhere. Nicely branded on there as well, I've noticed. Always got to get the branding in. Superb. Okay, so this is it. This is it. This is the ultimate party pack. This really does hark back to the days of the Wii U, and there are other accessories that do all this, but not in the one pack. Where the one pack it has everything. It has these. It has the 4 steering wheels. It has the tennis rackets, and it has the armband. So if you've got all of these party games and you've got people come around to your house, this is such a good pack to get because it has everything in one, and it's a brilliant gift for someone or for someone else if you've got a big family and you'll want to play these games. I think this is spot on. Really good quality. I'm a sucker for a good colour match. Good wide range of accessories. I think this is great. Okay, so have a look down below. I'll leave a link of where you can get hold of this. Get hold of this on the Orzly site and on Amazon as well. I'll leave links below of where you can get this. Go and have a look. Any questions you've got, give us a shout down below in the comments, and I'll happily answer them for you. But that's it. That's my unboxing, and that's my look at the superb ultimate party pack for the Nintendo Switch by Orzly. I've been Console and Tech Accessories, and until the next video. Bye bye.